Everybody, today topic is addition, subtraction and multiplication division of a signals. Consider two continuous time signals x1 of t and x2 of t. These two signals are addition and produce the resultant signal is y of t equal to x1 of t plus x2 of t. This is the addition of two signals. Addition of two signals in discrete. This is a continuous time. In discrete, we take in discrete time signals x1 of n and x2 of n. Then the resultant signal is y of n equal to x1 of n plus x2 of n. This is the addition of two signals in discrete time signal. Addition of two signals. This is the addition of two signals. Coming to the multiplication of subtraction of the signals. Subtraction of signals. Subtraction of signals. When we take in x1 of t and x2 of t, then the resultant subtraction of the signal y of t equal to x1 of t minus x2 of t. This is the subtraction of signal. Subtraction of signals. Addition of signal, multiplication of signal and division of signal, subtraction of the signals are using in some examples in electronics communications, audio mixing, video mixing. Some examples for these operations are using on that. Subtraction of this continuous time. Subtraction of discrete time signal. Discrete time signals y of n equal to x1 of n minus x2 of n. This is the subtraction of two discrete time signals. Coming to the multiplication of signals. We take in x1 of t, x2 of t same signals, then multiplication of two signals, then the resultant multiplication of two signals is x1 of t into x2 of t. This is the multiplication of two signals in continuous time signal multiplication. In discrete time signal multiplication is x1 of n into x2 of n. This is discrete time signal. Discrete time signals. Coming to the division of signals. The output of resultant signals is y of t equal to x1 of t divided by x2 of t. It is continuous time signals. In continuous time signals, y of n equal to x1 of n divided by x2 of n. This is discrete time signal division of signals. Discrete time signals. Coming to the addition of signals. Addition of signals. We take graphical representation of two continuous time signals x1 of t and x2 of t. This is zero, 1, 2, 3, 4 time period t. This is 1, 2, 3. This is 0, 1, minus 2. This is the x1 of t signal. This is x1 of t signal. We take another x2 of t signal. 0 1 2 3. This is x2 of t signal with time t -1 -2. x1 of t signal, suppose we consider this is the x1 of t signal, and x2 of t signal is this is 1, this is 2, 3. This is the x2 of t signal. So find out addition of two signals, that is x1 of t plus x2 of t. The resultant addition of two signals are, we take suppose y of t. In these diagrams, first we take an x-axis time period times. In this maximum time is -2, in this maximum time is -2 in left side, right hand side maximum time is 4, in this maximum time is 1, in this 1. First we taken in x1 of t, in this -1 value is, we take x1 of t, the value between the -1 to 0, the value between the -1 to 0 is -1 to 0 is how much? Is 1. Similarly x2 of t, the value between the suppose the graph is -1, we consider -1 to, in this -1 to 2 -1. Suppose the value x2 of t we consider, in this -1 value is -1 to 0 value is how much? 2. Therefore x1 of t plus x2 of t equal to y of t, and the how much? x1 of t equal to 1, x2 of t equal to 2, therefore 3. Therefore y of t equal to 3. In that place -1 to 0, -1 to 0. Graph is, suppose the graph 0 is the resultant graph. This is resultant graph, the y of t graph. Y of t equal to x1 of t plus x2 of t, resultant graph. One, 2, 3, -1, -2, 1, 2, 3, and so on. In this y of t -1 to 0, -1 to 0, y of t value is 3. This is -1 to 0. This is 3. This is 3. Coming to the 0 to 1 value, x1 of t, 0 to 1 is, 0 to 1 is how much? 1. x2 of t, 0 to 1 is, x2 of t, 0 to 1 is 2. 0 to 1 is 2. Therefore the resultant of addition of two signals x1 of t, x2 of t, y of t equal to 1 plus 2, that equal to 3. This is also 3. 1 plus 2, this is also 3. So this is 0 to 1 time. So 0 to 1, the value is 3. 0 to 1, the value is 3. Coming to the 1 to 2, there is no signals in the graph in this diagram. So this is the addition of two signals, x1 of t and y2 of t. Similarly, subtraction of the signals. Subtraction of signals y of t equal to x1 of t minus x2 of t. These two diagrams, coming to resultant diagram is in x1 of t, in this x1 of t is minus 1 to 0 is 1. Subtraction of two signals, the resultant is t 0 1 2 3 minus 1 minus 2 1 2 3. This is the y of t. Coming to the 0 minus 1 to 0, minus 1 to 0 is 1, x1 of t equal to 1, x2 of t equal to 2. Therefore, my resultant is subtraction of two signals is y of t equal to x1 of t minus x2 of t. Therefore, 1 minus 2. Therefore, minus 1. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Therefore, y of t equal to minus 1. So, in this value from minus 1 to 0. This value from minus 1 to 0. So, minus 1 to 0, y of t equal minus 1. Minus 1 to 0, y of t equal minus 1. So, minus 1 to 0, minus 1 to 0, minus 1. This is. After some 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 0 to 1, x1 of t equal to 1, x2 of t equal to 2. This is 0 to 1. Therefore, x1 of t minus x2 of t equal to 1 minus 2. Therefore, minus 1. This is y of t. This is the subtraction of two signals. So, 0 to 1, this value is minus 1. So, 0 to 1, this value is minus 1. This is the subtraction of two signals. Similarly, multiplication and division also we calculate in this method only. Thank you, and please subscribe the channel and share the